Hi, I'm Jake Carrick, Structural Products Specialist at NEFF Automation. Today I want to talk to you about machine guarding solutions, common applications, and how it can make your manufacturing processes leaner and safer. Manufacturing is changing fast. Industry 4.0 is quickly becoming the factory standard, with automation and robots handling repetitive and sometimes dangerous tasks. With these changes in the warehouse, as well as on your plant floor, it's important to know that your employees and your machines are safe and safe to operate. Machine guarding is important for production environments that have heavy machinery moving in areas that require workers to be present during operation. When unguarded, a machine could create an unsafe work environment and even lead to severe injury. That's why we always recommend establishing a strong barrier between your heavy-duty automated machines and your workforce. NEFF Structural Products Group can help you from concept to design to assembly of your machine guarding needs. With fully customizable solutions utilizing T-slotted aluminum technology to standardized prefab perimeter guarding options, NEFF Structural Products Group has the experience and knowledge to help keep your assets safe. Thank you everyone for tuning in. I hope you learned a little more about machine guarding and how NEFF Structural Products Group can help you.